51 volts 300 amperes. The inverter is connected to multiple batteries. First, connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery to the parallel device. Then through the circuit breaker, it is connected to the positive and negative poles of the inverter. Connect the CAN interface of the inverter and the battery unit with a network cable. Tap Add and use a network cable to connect to the parallel interface of the host. The other end of the network cable is connected to the sleeve E. Repeat until the last battery. Precautions for parallel wiring. Automatic coding parallel mode. After wiring is completed, the host must be the last to turn on. Turn on the switch. Turn on the battery. Check the battery condition and click Protocol. Select pylon and click Setting. Click Settings. Click Battery Setting. Select Lithium. Enter this parameter based on the actual capacity. Click to the last page. Lithium mode selects 0 秒. Enter. Return to the home page to see if the battery level is the same as that of the host. Click here. Click here. If it matches the actual capacity, the paralleling is successful.